Did you know that this bright red fruit, the pomegranate, has been called the fruit of life for thousands of years? Today I'm going to share with you the powerful benefits of pomegranate and why adding it to your daily routine could transform your health. From protecting your heart, boosting your memory, to fighting inflammation, this fruit is much more than just a snack. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also reveal the best way to eat or drink pomegranate so you can get the maximum benefits. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is a pomegranate? It's a round fruit with a hard red skin, filled with juicy red seeds called arils. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with vitamins, fiber, and powerful antioxidants. Many people search online for pomegranate benefits or ask about the advantages of pomegranate juice. And the truth is, both the seeds and the juice can bring amazing results for your health. Fun fact: the pomegranate tree has been a symbol of life and fertility in many cultures for centuries. Now let's talk about the health benefits of pomegranate. First, heart health. Drinking pomegranate juice regularly can help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, acting as a natural protector for your heart and arteries. Second, antioxidants. Pomegranates contain more antioxidants than red wine or green tea. These antioxidants fight free radicals, which means they protect your cells from damage and slow down aging. Third, your brain. Research suggests that pomegranate may boost memory and learning ability, making it a smart choice for long-term brain health. And fourth, inflammation. If you deal with joint pain or chronic inflammation, the compounds found in pomegranate can help reduce swelling and discomfort. At this point, you might be wondering, what's the best way to enjoy this fruit? Many people hesitate because they don't know how to cut a pomegranate without making a mess. Here's a simple trick. Score the skin into quarters, gently pull it apart, and place the pieces in a bowl of water. The seeds will sink, and the skin will float. That way, you get the arils easily, with no stains on your clothes or kitchen. Once you have the seeds, you can eat them fresh, sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, or simply drink fresh pomegranate juice for a quick boost of energy and health. And if you enjoy cooking, don't forget about pomegranate molasses. This thick, tangy syrup made from reduced pomegranate juice is perfect for dressings, marinades, and even desserts. So whether you're eating it fresh, drinking pomegranate juice, or experimenting with pomegranate molasses, the benefits are undeniable. This fruit supports your heart, sharpens your brain, strengthens your immune system, and fights inflammation all at once. Truly, the advantages of pomegranate juice and fresh seeds make it one of the most powerful fruits you can add to your diet. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you prefer eating the seeds, drinking the juice, or maybe using pomegranate in recipes? I'd love to know. Remember, small daily choices create big changes in your health. And adding pomegranate is one of the easiest, tastiest, and most powerful choices you can make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.